Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on Etsy using your phone. First, download the Etsy seller app from your app store. Once installed, open it and either create a new account or sign in. Navigate to the Shop Manager section to begin setting up your shop. You'll need to choose a unique shop name, your country, and your preferred currency. This initial setup is quick, typically taking less than 5 minutes, and lays the foundation for your online store. Next, let's create your first product listing. Tap the plus icon in the app to start. Upload at least 3 to 5 high-quality photos and consider adding a short video to showcase your item. Craft a compelling title, ideally under 140 characters, and a detailed description using relevant keywords. Finally, set your price, inventory, and shipping profiles, ensuring all details are accurate for potential buyers. Managing orders on the go is simple with the Etsy seller app. You'll receive instant notifications for new sales. Tap on an order to view all the details, including buyer information and shipping preferences. You can easily purchase and print shipping labels directly from your phone, then mark the item as shipped. Remember to respond to any buyer messages promptly, ideally within 24 hours, to maintain excellent customer service and a 5-star rating. To boost your sales, promote your shop directly from the app. Share new listings to social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook with just a few taps. Utilize Etsy's optional advertising tools to reach a wider audience, setting a daily budget that suits you. Regularly check your shop's performance using the detailed analytics available, which can help you understand customer behavior and refine your selling strategy for continuous growth and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.